Installing a new door in your Miami Beach home is an exciting upgrade that can significantly enhance your home's aesthetic appeal, security, and energy efficiency. Whether you're replacing an old door or installing a new one, there are several important factors to consider to ensure that you make the best choice for your home. A new door should complement your style, provide added protection, and fit your budget, all while being able to withstand Miami Beach's unique weather conditions. Here are the key factors to consider before installing a new door in Miami Beach. Material selection. The material of your door is one of the most crucial factors in determining its durability, security, and aesthetic appeal. Given Miami Beach's humid climate and occasional storms, you need to choose a material that can withstand the coastal environment while also offering the right amount of protection for your home. Fiberglass. Fiberglass doors are a top choice for Miami Beach homes due to their resilience against the elements. They are resistant to moisture, warping, and rotting, making them perfect for humid climates. Additionally, they provide excellent insulation, helping to keep your home cool and energy efficient during the hot summers. Steel. Steel doors offer superior security and strength. They are more durable and resistant to damage than wood, but they may be prone to dents. To avoid rusting, it's important to choose a galvanized steel door with a protective coating, especially given the salty air near the beach. Wood. While wooden doors can add classic beauty and warmth to your home, they may not be the best option in Miami Beach due to the high humidity, which can lead to swelling, warping, and rotting. If you do opt for wood, ensure it is properly treated and maintained to prevent damage. Aluminum. Aluminum doors are lightweight, low maintenance, and durable. They are resistant to corrosion and ideal for homes in coastal areas like Miami Beach. These doors offer strong protection against storms and are a great choice for hurricane-resistant installations. Energy efficiency. Miami Beach's hot and humid climate can drive up energy costs, especially during the summer months when air conditioning is a necessity. Installing an energy-efficient door can help keep your home comfortable and lower your utility bills. Here's what to look for in energy-efficient doors. Insulation. Look for doors with high insulation value, such as foam core doors or doors with double or triple glazing. These types of doors will provide better thermal insulation, reducing the transfer of heat into your home and preventing cool air from escaping. Low E glass. If you're choosing a door with glass panels, make sure to select one with low E, low emissivity, glass. Low E glass reflects infrared light, which can help maintain a comfortable temperature inside and reduce the strain on your air conditioning system. Weather stripping. Proper weather stripping is essential to ensure a tight seal around your door. Gaps around the door frame can lead to drafts, reducing your home's energy efficiency. Professional installation ensures that the door fits snugly and doesn't let air or moisture in. Security feature. The door is the primary entry point into your home, so security should be a top priority. In Miami Beach, where hurricanes and break-ins can be a concern, selecting a high security door is essential to protect your family and property. Strong locking mechanisms. Choose a door with multi-point locking systems, which secure the door at several points along the frame. These are more difficult to force open compared to traditional locks. Impact-resistant glass. If your door includes glass panels, opt for impact-resistant glass that can withstand extreme weather and forced entry. Hurricane-rated doors are a smart choice in Miami Beach, providing extra protection against storms. Reinforced frame. Make sure the door frame is reinforced and made of high-quality materials. A solid, durable frame adds to the overall strength and security of your door. Style and aesthetic appeal. Your door is a key part of your home's curb appeal. It's the first thing people see when they approach your property, so choosing the right style is important for making a positive impression. Traditional versus modern. Miami Beach is known for its diverse architectural styles, ranging from Mediterranean-inspired homes to contemporary designs. Select a door that complements the architectural style of your home, whether it's a classic wooden door with intricate carvings or a sleek modern steel or fiberglass door. Color and finish. The color and finish of your door should complement your home's exterior. Bright, vibrant colors can make a bold statement, while more neutral tones can create a timeless, classic look. Consider using a durable finish that can withstand the sun and salt in the air. Glass features. Some doors come with decorative glass panels or sidelights. Choose edged, frosted, or clear glass depending on your preference for natural light and privacy. Hurricane resistant. Given the frequent storms and hurricanes that impact the Miami Beach area, it's crucial to consider the hurricane resistance of the door you choose. Look for doors that are impact rated or hurricane resistant, ensuring they can withstand high winds and debris. Impact rated doors. These doors are built to withstand extreme weather conditions and offer maximum protection during hurricanes. Hurricane-resistant glass can prevent breakage from flying debris, while reinforced frames and strong locks keep the door securely in place during severe storms. Budget and installation cost. While upgrading to a new door can significantly improve your home, it's important to stay within your budget. Factor in the cost of the door itself, as well as the installation expenses. Professional installation ensures the door is correctly fitted, sealed, and secured, which is crucial for performance and durability. Professional installers in Miami Beach are knowledgeable about local building codes and can ensure that your door is not only aesthetically pleasing but also compliant with safety standards, including those for hurricane resistance. Conclusion. Installing a new door in your Miami Beach home is a great way to enhance your home's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. By carefully considering factors such as material, energy efficiency, security features, and hurricane resistance, you can make an informed decision that will improve the comfort and value of your home. Be sure to work with professionals to ensure the door is installed properly, providing you with long-term durability and peace of mind.